Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Hello, dear friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Russian for Everybody. And today we will know the difference between two similar or not similar Russian words. Слушать and слышать. Do you know the difference between them? Not yet? Okay, we will solve this problem, I promise to you. So, let's get started. So, how the Russians use these words? Слушать или слышать. So, the first word is слушать. Слушать means to listen. We use this word when you are paying attention to something, and this is an active action. And after this verb, we use the so-called accusative case, which answers the questions кого, что. So, examples of this verb usage, like я люблю слушать музыку. I like listening to music. Я люблю слушать музыку, because of course I like listening to music, and music is something which I listen with special purpose. So of course it's an active action. That's why we should use here the verb слушать. And the second verb слышать, which differs from the first verb only with the letter U. I know that many of you hate this sound, but it's very important. And слышать we use also with the accusative case, which answers questions кого, что. And this verb the Russian native speakers use when the sound comes to our ears. So it happens absolutely passively. So it's a passive action. So we hear without any purpose. So слышать, in comparison with слушать, it's a passive action. Example. Ночью я не могла спать, потому что я слышала музыку соседей. I couldn't sleep at night because I heard my neighbor's music. Imagine the situation when you are sleeping and at 2 o'clock at night, you wake up because of very loud music. Of course, at 2 o'clock at night, you don't want to listen any music. But unfortunately, your neighbors decided to make a disco. And at this moment, I think that you will hate them. Am I right? I think yes. So as you see, слушать, it's the same as English verb listen to, and слышать is the same as the English verb to hear. So I hope that the meaning of these verbs is clear, and now let's talk about grammatical point. How we change these verbs. So слушать, which means to listen, it's группа 1, the first conjugation. We change in the present tense like я слушаю, I listen, ты слушаешь, you listen, он, она слушает, he, she listens, мы слушаем, we listen, вы слушаете, you, plural or formal, listen, и они слушают, they listen. Это группа 1. So we change this verb like normal verbs belonging to the группа 1. Like работать, читать, отдыхать. Absolutely the same. Like я слушаю, я работаю. Ты слушаешь, ты отдыхаешь. And слышать, which means to hear, this verb belongs to the second conjugation, to the second group, группа 2. So it means that this verb will have absolutely another endings. So how we change this verb in the present tense? Я слышу, I hear. Ты слышишь, you hear. Он, она слышит, he, she hears. Мы слышим, you hear. Мы слышим, we hear. Вы слышите, you, many people, or one person polite, you hear. И они слышат, they hear. So in the present tense, absolutely, as you see, these verbs are different. I didn't write you the past tense because these verbs are absolutely regular verbs, so the past tense we produce with the help of the suffix "л". So, слушать in the past tense will be он слушал, она слушала, and plural will be слушали, like мы слушали, вы слушали, and они слушали. And слышать, heard in the past tense will be like он слышал, he heard, она слышала, she heard, and all plural forms like мы, вы, они слышали. So I think that it's not difficult. Okay, I hope that you liked today's lesson. It was not very long, and I hope that it was interesting and useful for you. Please don't forget to put a like to my video. Please write me some comments. And if you want to send me, you can make a donation given in the description box. Thank you in advance. Большое вам спасибо и до новых встреч. Пока-пока.